Okay, so I am doing my third layout with this kit. It's August 2017 hip kit. And my background is cardstock from my stash. These were scraps from a previous layout, except for that chevron pattern that was been in my scrap drawer for about 1.5 years. And so I pulled it out. Mateo was going through my drawer and I saw it and I said, hey, let me use that. So these pictures are of my nephew Lane, and my niece Jessica took him to the Sibley Fair. And so he was going on the kiddie Ferris wheel. So now I'm just going to glue my layers down. What, buddy? You want on my lap? All right, come on. I'll put my feet up. He likes it when I'm in my scrap room because he comes and takes naps on my lap. Yeah, spend a little quiet time with mommy. Not sure he's trying to climb my ceiling here. What are you doing, Patton? Anyway, so I'm going to glue my layers down, and then I'm going to go to the embellishments. The fun part, sometimes. With these, in this kit, most of the kit is Maggie Holmes' carousel. I'm going to get to that here in a second. So that yellow circle is a die cut. And then that sticker, oh no, I'm sorry, that there is a post note from the carousel collection. And that sticker is from the carousel collection. I'm just gonna, I wasn't sure what I was tucking behind, so I tend to not glue all the way to the edges and then have to go back and glue later. Whoop. So those black and white strips, sorry, excuse me, are scraps. Those are gonna help give my embellishments a place to basically anchor them, give them a place to set, give them a home. And those die cuts are all carousel, and all these in the right corner are also carousel, except for the Oh Happy Day, which is going to be my title. That one I do believe came from the American Crafts Crique. It's spelled C-R-I-Q-U-E. Oh, I think hold on a second. Yeah, CRIQUE puppy phrase stickers. Otherwise, everything is Maggie Holmes Carnival or Carousel. Sorry, I wrote down Carnival, but it's Carousel. And then once I get these die cuts down, that pretty much completes this layout. So I will let you go ahead and finish it. And when I have more done, I will certainly be back with those. Thank you guys. Bye.